Interesting. What is going on, YouTube family? Man, Dion right here back at you with another video. Welcome back, 901 Craving Gang. You know, I'm trying to come up with a nickname for y'all. Trying to see 901 Gang, 901 Crave Gang. Crave Gang. I think this might be a good nickname. We'll talk about that later, or leave a comment down below what y'all think y'all nickname should be. But welcome back to another video. This is a special video. We're gonna call this the Snowed In Challenge. Pretty much it's a challenge that's going around online right now. You're cooking with what you have in your house while being snowed in. If you don't know, a recent winter storm that came through the mid-south from Memphis, Texas, and everywhere else. And yeah, we've been getting a whole lot of snow. We're pretty much like up north now. But yeah, we're snowed in. I've been snowed in since last week. I haven't been to work in a week now. Yeah, and today a friend of mine messaged me. Well, really, she's my neighbor downstairs. We are about to do a snowed in challenge, and we about to cook with what we have in our cabinets here. And so I'm just waiting on her to come up now, and then we'll get started cooking in just a bit. All right, everyone, and she's up here now. Say hey, Tay.
Hey, y'all.
Hey, so if y'all don't know who Tay is, then go check out my birthday video on my on my personal channel, The Bread Chronicles. She's my neighbor in my apartments, and she was also my service at one of the best little brunch places in Memphis, Sage. So if you're ever there, go see her at Sage.
Go see me.
And so we're doing the Snowed In Challenge right now. And she came up with the idea last night because you unthawed some chicken tenders, right?
Mm-hmm.
She unthawed some chicken tenders, and I'm unthaw some shrimp. You said something about doing like jerk chicken and shrimp and rice and stuff, right?
Yeah, like a Hawaiian thing.
So I was thinking, or how about we do jerk chicken and shrimp Alfredo? Because I have a jar of pasta sauce, and I already got the fettuccine noodles because we had the rice and stuff and the pineapples. Still might try to incorporate the pineapples, but you cool with the Alfredo instead?
That's perfectly fine.
That's perfectly fine?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So we're doing jerk chicken and shrimp Alfredo. Ooh, should we do a dessert too?
If you want to, which thing you want?
Wait, do you like chocolate?
Yes, love it.
Chocolate cupcakes?
Yes, that's fine. Is it going to be chocolate on chocolate though?
What, chocolate frosting?
Mm-hmm.
We could do that.
Yes, let's do it.
All right.
Let's do it.
That's it. All right, so as I said, Tay brought up some chicken tenders. Here they go right here. Pound and beat the meat real quick to make them larger.
Childish.
They know what I mean.
Childish.
Y'all know what I mean. Got some pretty thin chicken tenders right here.
You know what?
Know what?
Because I like frying them for chicken tenders.
For chicken tenders. All right. And so now, if you don't have a meat mallet at home, you can just thin out meat doing this right here. Take some plastic wrap, put it over your meat. A small skillet if you have one, and you just pound away. Bam, and there you go. And so now you don't want to pound it too thin or it's going to break apart and become extremely flimsy. There you go. Pounded out meat. Next, while our pasta water is cooking, we about to get started on our pasta sauce. Go ahead and get it ready. And I already had a jar of pasta sauce sitting in my cabinet. And no, I don't cheat and use this whenever I make orders. This is just something quick in case I don't feel like making all that. We're all normal, everyone. Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait. Oh. Say what again, Tay?
How to let their ass know.
Hey, language. This is a friendly channel.
Oops. Bloop it out.
All right. Butter's melted. Adding in a little bit of garlic. And you can say right now, we're just getting the sauce ready because we're going to really season the sauce when we put everything together. So, add that in there. And if you ever have extra left inside the jar, all you got to do is add a little bit of water. Shake it up. And just pour the rest in. And we're gonna add in just a little bit of heavy whipping cream. A little bit more to give it some more body and volume. Now, whisk it all together. We ain't gonna really need that much since it's me and Tay. So about that much right there. There we go. So what? A couple more. Alright, that's it. Take it and then just start twisting it. This pot with this noodle strainer, best thing I could have ever bought. And so now we're about to season up this meat. Of course, you already know we got salt and pepper mix, my secret seasoning mix, and Jamaican style grill spice. Because we are about to do our version of jerk, right?
Period.
Heard this period. Give that meat a good old rub.
You're so childish. I'm over it.
Salt and pepper. A little bit of secret seasoning. Jamaican grill spice. And tell me, how does that smell to you?
Great. It smells really good.
Go ahead and rub that on in. Sauce is done right there. Pan is heated up. We about to add in the chicken. Alright, now shrimp about to go in. And now I'm gonna season the shrimp. And Tay has been such a big help.
A great help, you guys. I did everything.
She ain't done a thing.
And this.
Meat is all done resting. Nice to cook through. Now we're about to cut it on up.
Is that your sexy face?
My sexy face.
The fuck you making that face for?
I don't know.
Watch my language.
Hold on, wait. I was just cutting. I didn't.
Y'all, he tried to make a sexy face.
What sexy
You
face?
bit your lip.
Oh my lord.
I'm screaming.
She said I bit my lip. Chicken all cut up. Now let's cook this pasta. No, saying keep your hands out of it.
Wow, you know me so well. I couldn't wait for you to turn around.
What'd I say? Shoot, done touched it now. Get a little bit of the sauce. You know, salt and pepper. A little bit of secret seasoning. And some of the Jamaican spice. There we go. White wine. Any white wine you got will do.
You put a wine in that.
Yeah. We have white wine. Let that cook on down some. Parmesan cheese. Boursin cheese. You know, Boursin gives it that good flavor. There you go. A little bit more. Yeah, a little bit more. Alright. Now let's mix it on up. Alright, pasta is all done, as you can see. Now let's go ahead and plate this. My plate is going to be separate because she doesn't like shrimp, so they making mixed drinks. And there you have it, all one snowed-in meal, quickly done. Some jerk chicken and shrimp Alfredo. This plate is all done. Tay done already been demolishing hers.
And did.
I guess you can say she really liked it.
It was really good. Thank you. I'm proud of you.
Thank you. See, it gets nice to be told things like that from time to time. But what y'all think of this quick snowed-in challenge meal? It was something quick. Not the most fanciest work, but something quick. And now we are about to get, well, apparently after we eat, get started on dessert. So we changed it from chocolate cupcakes we're doing.
Chocolate covered strawberries. Black chocolate covered strawberries.
There you go. Alright, so give it just a second, alright? And here we are with dessert now, making dessert for this little big-headed woman over here. And so she said she wanted something special. She wanted a special treat, so I decided to tell her I was gonna make her some marbled berries. And she was just like, what's marbled berries? And I was just like, well, just sit around and see. And if you want to see me make marbled berries before, then click on the previous video that I'm gonna post like up above and down below in the description. Spread it and cross it over the white chocolate. And we're gonna do it both ways. Now, let's get to twisting in. That's one.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all hear her? I don't know why I'm counting.
Drunk.
I am that drunk. That much. Y'all, so how do marble berries look to y'all? How do they look to you, Tay?
Period.
I mean, you can say more than that.
I got nothing to say. I'm ready to eat.
Get your hungry self. Now for the main person trying it out, go ahead and try one, Tay. There you go. So she already approved of the food. Let's see if she approved of the strawberry.
Ew. I'm just kidding. It's amazing.
I don't know. You ain't lying to me. I don't know. You aren't lying to me, are you?
I would never. Yeah, it's good as fuck. Give me off camera so I can eat for real, because I'm trying to eat cute.
Well, alright, y'all. That's it for this video. This was just a quick, snowed in challenge video that she put me up to. I enjoyed it. Now we about to finish enjoying this food, these berries, these mixed drinks she made, and just finish enjoying the snowed in night. Alright, y'all. Well, I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.